Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2011 on an 11 plate Volkswagen Golf petrol automatic 5-door, finished in the white. It's covered just 40,000 miles, so we'll have a good walk around of it. Just arrived all the way from Japan. If you've been following us for a while, you'll know that we do quite a few of these Volkswagens from Japan, the Japanese imports. Fantastic little cars, extremely well cared for, brilliant condition underneath, extremely clean and tidy, much better than the UK cars, quite honestly. So it's 2011 August registration, 40,000 miles, which is verified, with plenty of Japanese Volkswagen service history, so really well maintained right the way through its life. It's registered here in the UK, it's MOT'd here in the UK. We've got a UK V5, the speedo has been changed to miles, and it's a UK radio as well, so it's here and ready to go. It's had 4 brand new tyres with these 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels that are in really good shape. It's an exceptionally tidy car for the age. 5-door practicality, road tax is £210 for 12 months, and the specs a little bit different to the UK spec, but really nice level of trim. All the seats in really good shape, centre armrest, steering wheel's in really good order. The Japanese just look after their cars a lot better than we do. All the door cards are in good order, 2 remote keys, 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable, heated and power folding door mirrors. It's got its original carpet mats, automatic lights, manual handbrake. There's your automatic gearbox. There's your mileage, 40,953. All your handbooks are in the glove box. And then up above, radio CD, air conditioning, and it's as simple as that. So really nice, straightforward setup. But nice to have those automatic lights and those power folding door mirrors. Into the rear, again, you've got your carpet mats, electric windows in the back, 3 proper headrests with 3 seat belts, and the ISOFIX for the child seats. There's a centre armrest there as well. Really looks the part in this white. You do get parking sensors across the rear bumper, and then into a really impressive boot space, parcel shelf at the top, split folding rear seats. Then it's in tremendous condition across the back. It really is, doesn't look like it's ever been used really, and you do get the luxury of a spare wheel. So there we have it, August 2011 Volkswagen Golf automatic petrol, just arrived from Japan, fully UK registered, 40,000 miles with good service history, 4 brand new tyres. So it will come supplied with an MOT until the end of July 2025. 2 keys, along with our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty, and we do work on an appointment-only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website, www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Like I say, we do a lot of these Volkswagens from Japan, tremendous condition throughout, including underneath, and they're always extremely popular. I've no doubt this one will be as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.